Okay, here's my second drain that I want to fix. I have this ugly ass pipe with the plastic, and it's really close to the sidewalk, so it doesn't really need to be this way. I just want to try to get it covered by enough mulch where you don't see the end. And I'm going to be using these downspout to 2-inch converter. Well, downspout to 4-inch to 2-inch converter, then some 2 right angle, and maybe some pipe, 2-inch pipe there, and maybe some of this drain pipe, but I doubt I'll need the drain pipe. And my level, I got that to see if we got the right amount to go down. It shouldn't be too hard. Okay, I put this in now. I replaced some of the gutter because it was broken up into 2 pieces and didn't need to be. I added a gutter to a 4-inch connector and then a 4-inch to a 2-inch connector. A little bit of 2-inch pipe, 2-inch 90, 2-inch pipe, 2-inch 90, and then 2-inch pipe, and I'm getting some good slope there. And it's going to drain out to the side, to the driveway. Now this pipe doesn't get that many leaves. I mean, in the season it got maybe a couple leaves. So I did leave it partially capable of taking apart from here and from down here on that right angle. I can open that up if I want, if I need to clear it out, but I doubt I'll need to clear it out. If I do, I have a way to do it. And then I'll cover all this with mulch. You never know it's even there. You can see the one I did over there looks really good. Alright, we're going to cover this up now. So this is what I got at the end. I got my drain going to 4-inch, which then goes to a 2-inch. And then the 2-inch goes down there. Now I could do this because I don't have that many leaves. As I said though, there is a way to remove a lot of that, and I could actually use my auger to clean out the 2-inch if I have to, either from the top or from the 90 degrees in the bottom. So I think that came out really well. You can't see anything except for the end there, and when I get more mulch it'll cover that. I don't even have to put bushes there actually, and it's got slope, so